In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage categories in Outlook. We'll break down the process step by step to make sure you feel confident about organizing your emails effectively. Categories in Outlook are a powerful way to organize and prioritize your emails, tasks, and calendar items. By the end of this video, you'll be able to customize and manage your categories to keep everything tidy and accessible. Let's get started by looking at your Outlook interface. Open your Outlook application if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll want to direct your attention to the toolbar above. That's where you'll find all the options you need to start managing your categories. To begin, locate and click on the Categories option, which is usually found along the top bar of Outlook. It might not stand out immediately, especially if you've customized your ribbon before, but don't worry. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the tools at your disposal. Clicking on Categories will open up a drop-down menu that allows you to see your current categories and options for managing them. Once you've clicked on the Categories option, you'll want to select Manage Categories from the list. This option is essential as it unlocks the ability to add new categories, modify existing ones, or delete those you no longer need. When you click Manage Categories, you'll notice a window opening up with a list of your existing categories, each with its name and color coding. This section will allow you to personalize your experience fully. Now, it's time to follow the on-screen prompts in the Manage Categories window. These prompts guide you through editing your categories. You might want to rename a category to something more relevant to your work, change a category color to better fit your preference, or even create a new category altogether. The on-screen prompts will make it clear how to do this, typically showing options like New, Rename, or Delete. One handy tip is utilizing category colors. Colors can be a big visual aid in separating different types of tasks or emails at a glance. For example, you might use red for urgent tasks and green for completed ones. It's these small decisions that can make a big difference in your overall productivity. Also, keep in mind that you can assign multiple categories to a single email or task. This flexibility allows you to be incredibly nuanced with how you organize, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Consider incorporating emojis into your category names too. They're a fun and quick visual cue to help distinguish between categories. After following these steps and customizing categories to your liking, remember to click OK to save your changes. This ensures that your Outlook is fully updated with your new settings. And there you have it. You're now a pro at managing categories in Outlook. Feel free to